Hi, everyone. We're going to look at one of our very favorite chemical reactions, the chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. And today I'm going to show you one controlled experiment that has to do with controlling for the color of the vinegar. So what I did, and I'll show you my setup here. So what I did was I have a tray here. This is where each of my reactions are going to take place, and I'm going to record the time each of these cups reactions separately. Okay, I have 4 cups set up. I'm going to see if the color of the vinegar determines or affects the time of the reaction. Okay, so inside each of these 4 cups, I have 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which are all from the same box. Okay, I prepared the other 3, and I'm just showing you how I did that. They're all from this box. Okay, so again, that is constant. This is a controlled variable. The amount of baking soda, the brand of the baking soda, this is all controlled. The size of the cups that I'm using, also controlled. So this would be a controlled variable. The tray that I'm using is also a controlled variable. The space that I'm using, okay, the table that I'm using, the temperature of the room, those are all constant, and therefore those are all controlled variables. The one thing that is changing, however, is the color of the vinegar. Now, the vinegar itself is all from this bottle. They're coming from the same bottle of vinegar. However, I use different colors of food coloring. Okay, so they have the same amounts of vinegar. So again, that's a constant, that's a controlled variable. The manipulated variable, what I'm changing is the color of the vinegar. So I put 1 drop of each color into where I'm holding the 1 ounce of vinegar in these tiny cups. Okay, you can see that a little bit there. So I'm going to take you through the reaction one by one. So I'm going to put the vinegar into the cup with the baking soda, and then I will time the reaction. I have my handy dandy timer ready on my phone, okay, and then I will count how long it takes for the reaction to finish. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to put one of my cups. Okay, and then I am going to pour the baking soda, the vinegar into the cup with the baking soda, and then I will set the timer and show you how long the reaction takes place. Okay, I'm going to start off with the green. And as soon as I pour this, I'm going to start my timer. I can still hear the reaction going. Okay, so it's 30 seconds. I'm going to move this over so you can see a little bit better. That was 30 seconds for the green. Okay, as soon as I stop hearing the sound and the fizzing, that's when I stop the timer. So now I'm going to do the same with the red. Flip this over so you can see it a little bit better. And again, I'm going to reset my timer, have that ready. So as soon as I pour this, I'm going to start the timer. Okay, 32 seconds. Now I'm going to do the same with the blue. Set my timer. Okay, also 32 seconds. I know it's hard for you to hear some of the fizzing and the squeaking sounds it's making, but I stopped the timer as soon as I stopped hearing that, the fizzing and the squeaky sounds. So now I'm going to do the same for the yellow. Okay, 31 seconds. So you can see it's 31 seconds. Okay, and here's my yellow cup again. So you want to record that data onto your lab sheet and analyze your results. Talk to your group members about what do you think happened. Do you think that the color of the vinegar, whether it's yellow, whether it's blue, whether it's red, or whether it's green, affected the time that it took to do the reaction? Okay, so my manipulated variable, what I am purposely changing in the experiment, is the color of the vinegar. Everything else is controlled, it's constant. I didn't change anything else. Even the amounts of the food coloring that I put in are all the same. Okay? Enjoy your discussion. Take care.